Okay, this is a demonstration of Driver Assistant Plus. It says over there that it's ready. It's only functional under 40 miles an hour. So we're gonna click on this button here to switch the mode to Assisted Plus. Press here, and the road becomes solid green, and these lights not flashing anymore, and they're solid green now. So the system does not want you to put your eyes on, put your hands onto the wheel every 15 seconds or so. It's able to come to complete stop, just like what it did right now, and kind of keep up with the traffic, steer itself. As you can see, my hands are completely off, feet are completely off, and we're sitting in lovely California traffic. Once you reach the speed above 40 miles an hour, the system will switch to Driver Assistant, not the Plus, and it will want you to touch the steering wheel every 15 seconds or so. So that car just inserted itself in front of me, and the M340 had successfully avoided it.